The NVIDIA RTX 5090 is creating a buzz in the GPU market with leaks and rumors hinting at some groundbreaking advancements. This next-gen graphics card promises to set new standards in gaming, content creation, and even professional workflows. Today, we're diving into the exciting features that could make this GPU a game-changer for tech enthusiasts. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and join us as we explore everything the flagship RTX 5090 has to offer. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content. The NVIDIA RTX 5090 is rumored to bring groundbreaking upgrades to the world of graphics. It could feature a next-gen architecture, possibly called Blackwell, which means major performance improvements. This card is expected to deliver up to 50% more power compared to its predecessor, the RTX 4090. This performance boost comes from an increase in CUDA cores and faster clock speeds, making it a beast for gaming and eye tasks. The RTX 5090 is likely to enhance ray tracing with improved RT cores and tensor cores, so real-time ray tracing will look more realistic without dropping frame rates. Ray tracing has been a game-changer for visuals, and this card could take it to the next level by providing better lighting, shadows, and reflections. This is great news for gamers who love immersive graphics and creators who rely on realistic rendering for their projects. The combination of enhanced RT cores and tensor cores means the card can deliver smooth performance, even in demanding scenarios. Another highlight is its focus on efficiency and thermal management. NVIDIA might use a 3-nanometer process to reduce power draw while maintaining high performance. Smaller manufacturing processes generally mean better efficiency, so this could translate into lower energy costs and less heat generation. Rumors suggest that the cooling system might get an upgrade too, with better thermal solutions to manage its power requirements. This is especially important for users running intensive tasks like rendering or gaming for long hours, because overheating can impact both performance and longevity. When it comes to memory, the RTX 5090 might include 24 GB of GDDR7 memory. This would make it faster and more capable, especially for 8K gaming, virtual reality, and complex creative workflows. Such a memory configuration would give users the ability to work on large projects and enjoy high-resolution gaming without bottlenecks. With speeds potentially exceeding 30 GB per second, it could easily handle demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. This level of performance could redefine what creators and gamers can expect from a top-tier graphics card. NVIDIA is also expected to focus on AI-driven features. There's a chance we might see DLSS 4, a technology that enhances graphics performance by using AI to upscale images. DLS, which stands for Deep Learning Supersampling, is designed to improve frame rates while maintaining high visual quality. This feature will benefit gamers looking for smoother gameplay and professionals who need top-notch visuals without stressing their hardware too much. AI integration isn't limited to just gaming, though. Creators using NVIDIA's Omniverse platform could find this card invaluable for collaborative projects, simulations, and content creation. Additionally, there's speculation that the RTX 5090 will support advanced display outputs. This might include support for DisplayPort 2.1 and HDMI 2.1a, allowing users to connect high refresh rate monitors and enjoy better resolutions. This makes the card more future-proof, giving users the flexibility to upgrade their entire setup over time. With better support for modern displays, gamers and professionals can expect crisp visuals and more fluid performance. The RTX 5090 could also appeal to AI developers and researchers. Its improved tensor cores and memory bandwidth make it well-suited for machine learning tasks, data processing, and simulations. This versatility makes it a go-to choice for users beyond gaming and creative work, as it can handle a wide range of professional tasks efficiently. Overall, the RTX 5090 is shaping up to be a powerhouse for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Its rumored improvements in performance, efficiency, and features make it a significant leap forward from its predecessor. Whether you're into 8K gaming, virtual reality, or high-end content creation, this GPU promises to deliver the power and flexibility needed to tackle the most demanding projects. NVIDIA has always been at the forefront of innovation in the graphics card industry, and the RTX 5090 seems to follow that trend. It could set new benchmarks and offer an unparalleled experience for users, from its advanced architecture to its AI-driven features and cutting-edge memory technology. This card has the potential to redefine what's possible in the world of graphics. That wraps up our look at the NVIDIA RTX 5090, a GPU that could redefine the graphics industry with its incredible power, efficiency, and innovative features, from gaming at 8K resolutions to high-end creative workflows. This card is shaping up to be a powerhouse. We can't wait to see what NVIDIA delivers. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit subscribe to Factic for more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.